Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to share a very powerful trading strategy using the Keltner Channel Indicator. First of all, you can see my account balance on the screen. Now let's open the indicator section and select the Keltner Channel Indicator. Keltner Channel is a popular trend following indicator that helps traders identify market direction and potential entry opportunities. It consists of a middle line and two outer channels. When the price approaches the upper channel, it may indicate a strong bullish move, while the lower channel can help identify potential support areas and trend continuation opportunities. Many professional traders use this indicator as part of their trading strategies. Now let's select our first trading pair, BHD, CNY, OTC. As you can see, we have received a sell signal here. So I'm placing my first trade as a sell trade. Now let's wait for the result. And as you can see, our first trade has been won successfully. Now let's move to our second trading pair, USD CAD. You can also see my account balance, again on the screen. Here we have received a strong seal signal, so I'm placing a buy trade. Let's wait for the outcome. Great. Our second trade has also closed in profit. If you want to receive free trading signals, daily market analysis, and trading updates, make sure to join my Telegram channel. The Telegram channel link is available in the description and pinned comment below.